Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher stuck on loading in 2026. If your launcher is just spinning or freezing on the loading screen, don't worry, we'll go through the best fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, restart your PC. This clears temporary system bugs that often cause loading issues. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can stop the launcher from loading properly. Now open Task Manager and look for any Rockstar Games Launcher or Social Club processes running in the background. End all of them and try reopening the launcher. If it still gets stuck, run the launcher as administrator. Right-click the icon and select Run as Administrator to give it full permissions. Next, clear the Rockstar Games Launcher cache. Go to your local app data folder and delete the launcher cache files. This helps fix corrupted loading data. Also, disable VPNs or proxies if you're using any, because they can block the launcher from connecting to Rockstar's servers. You should also temporarily disable antivirus or firewall, since they sometimes block the launcher during startup. If nothing works, reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher completely from the official Rockstar Games website. Make sure to remove the old version first before installing fresh. And finally, restart your PC again after reinstalling to reset everything properly. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the loading issue and get your launcher working again. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes like this. I'll see you in the next one.